Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Boscamplus Solar Wireless Magnetic Backup Camera for Truck. There are key features include 1 minute quick install and removed. The wireless backup camera with 6 super strong magnets base can be installed in 1 minute and attached to the metal surface of your vehicle, worry-free falling off even on bumpy roads. The solar magnetic wireless backup camera can be installed or detached instantly on another car or location without damage. 24-hour long battery life. With a 9600 mAh large rechargeable battery, a wireless backup camera for truck can be used for up to 24 hours once fully charged, which is enough to meet long-distance traveling. Together with a larger solar panel designed to extend the working time of the backup camera for truck. RV for reducing manual charging, saving energy and battery protection. HD, 1080p and IR night vision. The solar wireless backup camera delivers a vivid image with HD 1080p especially in low light. A backup camera for truck with 8 powerful IR LEDs can present a clear view within 30 feet in the darkest night, which can help the drivers to accurately identify targets and provide maximum security when parking in a tight spot. Energy saving and low power consumption. When the monitor is powered off, the backup camera goes into sleep mode automatically, eliminating the need to frequently get out of the car to manually switch it on and off, making the backup camera wireless more power-saving, prolonging the life of the battery, and greatly enhancing safety and durability. Strong and stable digital signal. Built-in dual digital signal antennas, the backup camera systems for truck can provide the transmission distance can reach 320 feet without freeze and delay. Wireless backup camera for trailer is perfect for box truck, camper, RV, horse trailer, fifth wheel, enclosed van, tractor, boat, and more. Supports 2 video channels. The trailer backup camera can be connected to 2 cameras at the same time for full view or split screen view, which you can mount on your truck. And an additional RV camera on the travel trailer to reduce the blind spot in driving. Not only can you hook up your trailer easily, but you can also watch what is happening behind the travel trailer in real time. DVR loop recording, included 16 GB SD card. The RV backup camera wireless will automatically overwrite the old video to keep the latest recorded video. In case of an accident or collision, the trailer camera will save the video clips separately, keeping the most valuable evidence. This can be saved on the included 16 GB memory card. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.